Hello everybody, welcome to Gognuts. This is Aaron Gogna and welcome to my life. This is my life. I am a motivational speaker. I give talks almost every day here in the Philippines and all over the world if I'm invited. And during Sundays, I preach at the feast in Bellevue. This is my life. At maraming tao nagsasabi, bakit tagumpay ka sa iyong ginagawa? Ang isa sa mga sikreto sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon. Ang sikreto ay being prepared. Nauna ako sa mga kausap ko, wala pa sila rito, andito na ako, nag-ayos na, hinanda ko ng sarili ko. Preparation is very important if you want to really be number one and to be successful in your life. So are you preparing for success? May mga nagsasabi sa akin mga bata, why do we need to study? And we're not using these things that we study in school. Ano yan? Katulad na yung mga square root. Ginagamit mo ba araw-araw ang square root? Di ba? Itong mga Pythagorean theorem, ginagamit mo ba ito araw-araw? Yung mga cosine, theta, hindi naman kayo naglalakad tas nagko-cosine, theta. You prepare yourself if you study them. Why? Because they build on each other. Kaya paghanda ka, marami kang alam, nako, pagdating ng oportunidad, pwede mong kunin yan at ikaw ay magtatagumpay. One secret to be a successful speaker is preparation. If you are not prepared, kakabahan ka dito sa stage at mararamdaman ng audience mo yan. Ang buhay ganun din. Life has prepared you for your success, for the coming success in your life. I would like you to believe in that. Yung hirap mo, kasama sa preparation yan. Yung mga sakripisyo mo, yung failures mo, kasama yan. Saan? Sa pag-prepare sa iyo para ihanda ka sa tamang tagumpay na dapat mong makamit. So never give up because you are being prepared for something better in life. But again, you have to prepare. If you have a dream, you want to go to that dream, prepare yourself for it. You don't just prepare to be successful, you also prepare if you're successful already. Yung iba, tagumpay na. Hindi pinaghandaan ang tagumpay. Kaya ano nangyari? Kayabang. Kaya sumabog tuloy yung tagumpay. Nawala tuloy ang tagumpay. So pinaghahandaan bago mo makamit ang tagumpay at pinaghahandaan din pag nakamit mo na ang tagumpay. Preparation is very, very crucial in all aspects of your life. If you want to be financially free, you have to prepare it now. Set up everything for that someday you will be financially free. If you want to live a healthy life, ay ngayon pa lang, you prepare for it already. You want to grow old, happy, healthy, holy, and wealthy, you prepare it now while you are still young. Preparation is very, very crucial. But let me give you hope. God is with you every step of the way, and He has prepared you already. He has given you all the gifts you need, and He allowed you to undergo all your troubles, trials, failure, success, because He is preparing you for a better tomorrow. Trust in God. Trust also in yourself. And if you want to have your success already, prepare having it in your life. So you will continue enjoying life. This is Aaron Gogna for Gognuts. And if you like this video, please share them to as many friends as you can. And I will see you again tomorrow. God bless you. Thank you for watching.